Have you heard the term pouring from an empty cup before? Well, pouring from an empty cup, glass, bottle, vessel, or any other apparatus is a wise reminder that self-care is essential. The idea is simple. You can't give your best to others if you're running on fumes yourself. It's like trying to water a garden or a pot of flowers with a dry hose. It just doesn't work. Taking time to refill your own cup can mean different things for different people. For some, it's indulging in hobbies or finding moments of solitude. For others, it could mean connecting with loved ones, prioritizing mental health, or simply allowing space to rest and recharge. The key is recognizing when you're depleted and making self-care a priority and not an afterthought. It's like the analogy of putting on your oxygen mask first. You can't give or contribute effectively if you don't have anything left to give yourself or any oxygen to help others. Grief is one of the most challenging experiences a person can go through, and the empty cup metaphor is particularly poignant in this context. When you are grieving, your emotional, mental, and even physical reserves are often depleted. It can feel like you're pouring out all your energy just to process the loss, manage daily life, and support others who might also be grieving, all while struggling to find anything left for yourself. Grief is a long, winding process, and sometimes the cup stays a little empty for longer than we'd like. But honoring your own needs as you navigate this experience is a profound act of self-compassion and self-care. Here are a few ways that you can honor these needs. You can begin with first acknowledging the empty cup. The first step is recognizing that grief can drain you completely. Denying the toll it takes might only delay the healing process. Acknowledgement allows you to address your needs more compassionately. Refill the cup. This can mean allowing yourselves to grieve fully and in your own way. It might include leaning on supportive friends or family, seeking therapy, finding solace in rituals, or creating space for solitude and reflection. Refilling your cup requires permission to prioritize your needs without guilt. Setting boundaries. In the midst of grief, it's easy to overextend yourself, especially if you're caring for others who are also mourning. Setting boundaries protects the little energy you have while allowing you to focus on your healing. Small acts of self-care. Even tiny efforts can help restore the reserves, like a short walk or a nourishing meal, or writing in a journal, or just resting. Grief often strips away the ability to tackle big things, but small, gentle actions can begin to refill that cup slowly. And then accepting imperfection. There's no right way to grieve, and there's no perfect process for replenishing yourself. Accepting that it's okay to have days when you feel utterly drained is part of the journey. Grief is a journey as well as deeply personal, and these strategies may resonate differently depending upon your experience. But find what works best for you and fill your cup as often and as much as needed. This is Mishon Landry, and this is my grief journey.